This is the Security Money Belt with Hidden Money Pocket, designed to help you carry valuables discreetly while you travel or go about your day. At first glance, it looks like a regular nylon tactical belt for men and women. The design is simple and versatile, so it pairs easily with jeans, travel pants, or casual outfits. The non-metallic buckle is lightweight and easy to fasten, and it won't set off metal detectors, which is convenient for airport security. What makes this belt different is the hidden zippered pocket built into the inside. It's sized to hold folded cash and other small, flat valuables. This allows you to keep important items stored discreetly and close to your body. The nylon material feels durable yet flexible, so it's comfortable enough for daily wear. The medium size is designed to fit a range of waist sizes, and the adjustable design helps you get a secure fit. If you're looking for a practical way to carry cash or small valuables while traveling, commuting, or attending events, this Security Money Belt with Hidden Pocket is a simple and discreet option to consider.